So the number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on are called natural numbers, and these natural numbers are denoted by capital N. And if the number starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on, these are called whole numbers. It is denoted by capital letter W. And 0 positive numbers and negative numbers together are called integers, and it is denoted by the letter capital letter Z. Okay. Now, properties of integers. Okay. What are the properties of integers? Generally, if we select any number on a number line, if we say, let's discuss first natural numbers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. You select any number, okay, because we can see till 6 numbers here. Between these numbers, I'll give one example. Okay, I'm taking 6. Okay, number 6 and 3. So which number is greater? 6 is greater, bigger number than 3. I have taken 2 numbers. One is 3 and other one is 6. Now which is the biggest one? 6. Which is the smallest one? 3. In the same way, you can take any other 2 numbers also. Somewhere else here, 14 is there. Okay, I'm taking 14 now. And here 7. See, here dot indicates there are many numbers between 7 and 14. I cannot write all the numbers here, so I kept 3 dots. 7, 14. Okay, now 14 is a bigger number and 7 is a smaller number if you take these two. Okay, now 6, 3. 6 is a bigger number, 3 is a smaller one. If I take 5 and somewhere it's 2, if I compare these two, okay, 5 is a bigger one, 2 is a smaller one. Now if you observe on a number line, let's draw a number line. Okay, I'll explain you how to draw a number line. First, draw a straight line like this. Now put a scale. From the starting, keep your scale at starting point. Now it is 0. Now mark wherever you are having numbers. Mark a small dot. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just for your explanation, just to explain you, I'm just drawing roughly. I'm not maintaining any kind of neatness here. I'm just drawing directly with a pen. Okay, I cannot erase also. Okay, let's start here. It is a number line. I'm starting now. Natural numbers number line. 1, 2. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so on. So I'm taking here 5, 2. Okay, here is 2 and here is 5. Now here these two are your hands. Okay, this is my right hand and it is my left hand. Okay, so 5 is a bigger number. It is right side, right? And 2 is a smaller one and it is on my left hand side. If you think in the same way by taking all the examples, whatever, by comparing two numbers, every time the bigger number will be your right side and the smaller number will be at your left side. Okay, now here like this, I can draw only 7 up till 7 numbers here. Okay, and here it will be 0. Now let's go for the whole numbers. 0. Take any number. Okay, let's take the bigger one number. Okay, I want to take some 67. 67 is here. Okay, on a number line 67 will be after 7 only, right? 7, 8, 9, like the 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, then 61, 62, 60, so on, like that. Okay, so 67 is on your right side, 0 is on left side. So in this way we can conclude that you take any number, the numbers which are there right side of that number all are bigger numbers. I am taking 2 here. Okay, the right side of 2 are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. so on. Okay, we don't know the last biggest number of a natural number or else whole number. Okay, so whatever number we are writing after 2, all these are all bigger numbers. Left side if you observe. Okay, 2. What is the left side of 2? 1. 1 is smaller than 2. 0 is smaller than 2. Okay, let's take 5. Okay, 5. What are the numbers greater than 5? 6, 7, 8, 9, so on. What are the numbers less than 5? 4, 3, 2, 1, so on. So the numbers which are less than 5 comes in left side of a number line. Okay, you select any number. Okay, 98, let's take 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, everything. I mean 19, after whatever number you'll take after 99 will come after and will come at right side of 99. If you take lesser numbers of 99, 98, 97, 96, all those numbers comes left side. Okay, in the same way, 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, so on. So this is a number line, integers number line. Okay, these are called integers. As with the previous class I have explained what are the integers. So this is a number line of integers. So 0 is in the middle. Okay, all these are positive numbers, all these are negative numbers. Positive integers, and whatever is there left side of 0 all are negative integers. Clear? Now if you take any number, as I said, if you take any number, the right side of that number all are bigger numbers, right? And left side of all the numbers are whichever number you are selecting, the left side of that number all are smaller numbers. So I am taking here 0. Let's take 0. Okay, so right side of 0, who are there here? Positive integer. Left side of 0, who are there? Negative integers. So positive integers are always greater than 0. First point. Second point, negative integers are always smaller than 0. Okay, so whichever number you are going to take after 0, all called positive numbers, and always positive numbers are bigger than 0, are greater than 0. Okay, so if you take any negative number, all these numbers comes before 0 on a number line. So all the negative numbers are lesser than 0. In other way, we can say 0 is less than all the positive. 0 is less than positive integers, and negative numbers are less than 0. Okay, 0 is less than positive numbers, or we can say 0 is greater than negative numbers. These two are same. Okay, 2 is less than 3 Anna. 3 is greater than 2. These two are same, right? I'm just using different numbers. Are you able to follow me or not? And comparing negative and positive integers. Here it is 0 and all are here positive and all are here negative. As we have discussed, whenever let me show you. Whenever you take any number on a number line, whether any number, okay, let's think about first positive, because we have learned from childhood the positive numbers. So if you take the positive numbers first, you will understand better. Okay. Let us take 6 and somewhere else here 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so dot indicates there are some numbers here. I'm not writing, but it indicates that there are some numbers existing. Okay, 6 and 10. 6 I'm taking. if I observe here, I or you, if we observe 6 and 10, 6 is on my left hand side and 10 is on my right hand side. So as we have discussed, whichever you select any two numbers, the bigger number will be on right side, the smaller number will be on left side. Similarly, if you observe complete number line of integers, positive numbers are at right side, okay, and negative numbers are at left side. That is why always positive numbers are greater than negative numbers. Negative numbers are, we can say even integers also, negative integers. Okay, actually we have to call them as integers only, negative integers. Always positive integers are greater than negative integers. Clear this point? Now let's go for a few examples. Okay, first let's discuss both positive numbers. 3, 8, 4, 2, 0, 1. Next 5, 3. Let's take negative number first. -6, 9. Okay, I'm just giving a few examples over here. Now 3, 8. This is number line. Okay, and here it is 0. Where this 3 will be located? Here 1, 2, 3. And where this 8 will located? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, somewhere here. Okay, see, I'm not taking proper distance over here, so I just kept dots. It indicates that there are some numbers existing between 3 and 8. Okay, even though I am not writing, it indicates that there are some numbers existing here. Okay, now 3 and 8. If you observe on a number line, 8 is on right hand side, 3 is on left hand side. See, from childhood onwards, we are learning numbers. We clearly know which is the smallest one, which is the bigger one. Okay, but if you show them on a number line, the picture will be like this. Okay, 3, 8. 8 is on right hand side, 3 is on left hand side. So obviously 3 is less than. And for your convenience, if you are confused in identifying the symbols of a greater than and less than, now I have a small trick over here. Less than starts with letter L. Okay, L will be like this. If you bend this L like this, it will become a less than symbol. If it is less than symbol, automatically the other one will be greater than. Okay, clear? So 3 is less than 8. 4 is what to 2? 4 is, let's take 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now here see, I told you already there are some dots here. Okay, now 4 and 2. 2 is here, 4 is here. 2 less than left side, and this is right side, left side. So 4 is greater than 2, obviously. See, why teacher is showing on a number line, you will come to know. Okay, don't worry. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 4 here. This is on left side and this is right side. Clear now? Now the whatever number is there on right side, that will be the greater one. Okay, see, no need of drawing and showing on a number line right now, because we are comparing only both positive numbers. Till here no problem, easily you can identify which is greater, which is smaller. Next you will come to know why I am drawing, why I am showing you. Okay, 0 is less than 1, obviously. How? 0 here, 1 will be here. This is at left side and it is right side. Okay, now here, as I said, 0, 5 will be at right side of a 0, minus 3 will be left side of a 0. So tell me, which is smallest one, which is greater one? Minus 3 is left side, 5 is at right side. So minus 3 is less than 5. In another, you can draw like this in your mind. See, we don't have a time to draw all these things, in a examination just for fill in the blanks. It carries just 1 mark or 2 marks for 7th class. Okay, so for that you cannot draw. You need to make very fastly. You need to imagine all these things in your mind. Okay, so for your convenience, I'm just drawing. Okay, when you practice, definitely that image will come to your mind. Okay, come into your mind, or whatever it may be. Okay, fine. Now see, 5 is greater than minus 3, because see, simple, all positive numbers are greater than negative numbers. Now minus 6, 9. Minus 6 is less than 9. Why? Because minus 6 is a negative integer, 9 is a positive integer. If you want to see, if you are feeling very confused, draw a number line simply in your mind. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, somewhere else 9, and here somewhere else minus 6. Okay, now 6, minus 6 is at left side, 9 is at right side. Obviously whatever number are there on a number line, right side are bigger one, left side are smaller one. Clear? Now here I have taken both positive, and I forgot to tell you one more point. All these are negative numbers, all these are positive numbers, and 0 is in the middle. Now what is this? 0 is which kind of integer? 0 doesn't have any sign. It is standing in the middle. So neither it is a positive integer nor it is a negative integer. Clear? Are you able to follow me or not? See, whatever numbers are there at the right side of a 0, all are called positive integers, because it is having plus sign. And whatever numbers are there before 0, all are negative integers, and they are having minus sign. Now what about this 0? 0 stands in the middle. 0 doesn't have any sign. Neither it is a positive integer nor it is a negative integer. It's just a 0. That's it. Now you need to learn the properties of 0. Because 0 stands in the middle, 0 is always smaller than positive integers. When you compare 0 and positive integers, 0 is at left side and all the positives are right side. So 0 is smaller than all positive numbers. Now cover this side. Now here 0 is in your right side. If you compare only negative numbers and 0 is on right side and negative numbers all are in left side. So 0 is always greater than negative numbers. Clear? Why? Because on a number line 0 stands at the right side. If you compare only negative numbers and 0, I'm talking, listen to me very carefully. If you compare negative numbers and 0 is at right side and all the negative numbers are at left side. Okay, because of that, or else if you take the previous class examples also, when you move forward the value increases, when you move left side the value decreases. Okay, if you start your journey from here is some values there. When you are moving to the left side, the value decreases. Obviously, when it is decreasing, it will be a smaller number than the 0. Clear? Now, I am comparing both negative numbers now. Minus 3, minus 2. Minus 5, 0. 0, minus 2. Just 3 examples, okay? Let's discuss this first, okay? It will be very easy for you to understand. Then we will go for the next one. This one, last one. Minus 5, 0. If you compare on a number line, 0 is here and negative numbers are here. So this is right side and it is left side. So 0 is always greater than negative numbers. Minus 5 is less than 0. 0 is greater than minus 2. Why? Because 0 is in left side. Sorry. 0 is in right side. Minus 2 is left side. Clear? Now when you are comparing both negative numbers. Oh, screen. Okay, sorry. When you are comparing both negative numbers, draw a number line. See, when you are practicing comparing both negative numbers, starting it will be very confused. You feel very confused. As you draw a number line, start comparing. Meanwhile, after few examples, it will, your mind will automatically tell you what is the correct answer. It is very easy to compare. Okay. Now listen to me very carefully. Minus 3, 0. Minus 3 and minus 2. Here is 0. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Observe how I am writing, okay? And here 1, 2, 3, 4. We don't use this because right now our target is minus 3 and minus 2. Round out minus 3 and round up minus 2. When you compare these two, which is left side? Minus 3. Which is right side? Minus 2. Obviously minus 3 is less than minus 2 or not? When you are moving towards left side, the values will decrease. Okay, minus 3. Less than 3 is 2. Again, less is 1. Smaller number than 1 is 0. Smaller than 0 is minus 1. Smaller than minus 1 is minus 2. Smaller than minus 2 is minus 3. Like that. Okay. So whatever numbers are there at left side, they are smaller than the previous one. Okay, so minus 3 is less than minus 2. Minus 13, minus 16. Okay, minus 3, minus 5, 14, minus 2, minus 14, minus 100, 3, okay. Now let's draw. See, I have taken both negatives in first two cases so that you will understand more clearly. Okay, and both negative numbers. Okay, I am drawing a number line somewhere else here 0. I am not writing positive numbers because we are taking both negative numbers, so no need to write the positive numbers. Let's go for the negative numbers. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, so on like that. If you continue, minus 9, minus 10, minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, minus 14, minus 15, minus 16, like this. Okay, dot indicates. Because I don't have a more space here, I am not writing all the integers, negative integers here. So place is not sufficient here. So I kept dot, dot, dot. Then minus 12, minus 13, minus 14, minus 15, minus 16. Okay. Now round up whatever numbers are there. Minus 13 is there, minus 16 is there. Okay. This is the left side and it is right side. If you compare, see, when you compare from the center, both are at negative, left side only. Okay, both are negative numbers. Okay, these two are smaller numbers than whom? Than 0. 0 we don't have, so no need to compare. Now only concentrate on only this part. Okay, minus 16 and minus 13. So from these two, right hand side is 13, minus 13, left hand side is minus 16. Obviously minus 13 is what? Greater than minus 16. Minus 3, minus 5. Somewhere else 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So round of minus 3 and minus 5. So here it is right side and it is left side. See, these two are my hands. Where are they? On right side it is minus 3, on left side minus 5. So whatever left side are there are smaller number. Right side are there are bigger number. So minus 3 is greater than minus 5. Okay. Now 14, obviously. See, this is very easy actually. Comparing positive integer, negative integer is very easy. Comparing negative integer, positive integer is very easy. Okay. Comparing 0 and negative is very easy. Where it is? Comparing 0 and negative is very easy. 0 and positive, from childhood onwards we are learning this. Okay. The thing is, okay, 14, positive number, negative number. Always positive numbers are greater than negative numbers. And negative number and positive number. Always negative numbers are smaller than positive numbers. Minus 100, 3. See, don't see just a number over here. It is an integer. Which integer? It is a negative integer. Suddenly, you people concentrate only on the number. You won't see the sign here. It is negative integer and it is positive integer. Okay. So, always negative integer is less than positive integer. Clear? Now, I wanted to tell you something, but I point much better. Okay. Just know. Okay. Thank you.